Zombie apocalypse.
So today I'm going to talk about Canva. So Canva is basically a graphic design platform where you can create social media graphics. You can create a lot of amazing things with Canva. So I'm thinking about doing tutorials of Canva and how you can use it for your betterment and for your business or branding. So let's see the interface. So this is the interface of Canva. As you can see, you can create presentations, you can do Instagram posts, videos, logos and posters. You can also do card, certificate, Instagram story, animated social media using Canva. So you can do a lot of useful things using Canva. So I'll be providing tutorials of many things you can use Canva for. Canva can make you marketing materials, social content, create business branding. It has thousands of templates, inbuilt templates, pictures you can use and modify. So this is really a good app, and I will be teaching you guys what you can do with Canva. So stay tuned and subscribe, because you need to get notified and to watch the videos and learn from it. So thank you.